and welcome back to English Cast Duo.
The podcast where you don't just listen to English, you speak it.
That's right, this is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just real English practice with two real voices.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
And today we're doing something special. We have a story that might make you cry, but it will definitely help you learn. It's a story about betrayal, but also about incredible kindness.
Exactly. If you're feeling emotional today, that's okay. Emotions help us remember vocabulary.
Today, we are telling the story of Linda Parker. Linda is a 59-year-old widow from Brighton.
A widow? That is our first key word. Alex, can you help us with that?
Of course, a widow is a woman whose husband has died. Linda was alone. She was lonely. And because she was lonely, she made a big decision involving her son, Daniel.
This story teaches us words about family, trust, and sadness. But stay with us, because it also teaches us words about hope.
Exactly. We will break the story into 3 parts. After each part, we will check the vocabulary. And at the end?
At the end, we have a shadowing practice, so you can speak these sentences with us.
So, if you're ready to improve your listening and learn some real-life English, let's begin gently. Linda lived in a nice house in Brighton. She had memories there. But her son Daniel had a different idea.
Daniel told his mother, "Sell the house, Mom. Come live with me in Spain. It will be wonderful."
Linda wanted to believe him. She loved her son. So she sold her house. She took all her money. And she went to the airport with Daniel.
Imagine that feeling. She is leaving her life behind. She is trusting her son completely.
They arrived at the airport. Daniel said, "Mom, wait here. I'm going to buy us some water."
Wait here. A simple phrase. So Linda sat on her suitcase. She waited.
She waited for 10 minutes, then 30 minutes, then an hour.
Alex, do you remember when you were waiting for something important and you started to feel that bad feeling in your stomach?
Oh, absolutely. That feeling is called dread. Linda felt dread. She tried to call Daniel,
But his phone was off.
she waited for hours. The airport became empty. The lights went down. Linda realized the terrible truth.
She had been abandoned.
That's a strong word. Abandoned. Mia, what does that mean exactly?
To abandon someone means to leave them forever, usually when they need you the most. Daniel took the money from the house sale, and he left his mother alone at the airport with nothing.
It's heartbreaking. Linda was 59, homeless and penniless.
Penniless. That means she had zero money, no cash, no credit cards.
She sat there and cried. She felt like her life was over.
If you are listening right now and feeling sad for Linda, that matters. It means you understand the story. And if you understand the story, your English is getting better.
Exactly, you're doing great. But the story doesn't end in the airport. Linda spent the night at the airport. She was scared. She was hungry.
The next morning, a man approached her. He wasn't a family member. He was a stranger.
His name was Robert Miller. He was a police officer at the airport.
Robert saw Linda crying. Now, he could have walked away. He could have said, "This isn't my problem."
But he didn't. He asked her, "Ma'am, are you okay?"
Linda told him everything. She told him about Daniel, the house, the money, and the lie.
Robert listened. And then he did something amazing. He didn't just file a report. He showed compassion.
Compassion. That's a beautiful word. It means feeling someone else's pain and wanting to help.
Robert took Linda to a cafeteria and bought her breakfast. He saw that she was shaking.
He called his wife. He said, "We have to help her."
This is the turning point. Robert took Linda to his own home.
Wait, Alex, he took a stranger to his house?
Yes. He and his wife gave Linda a warm bed. They gave her food. They gave her safe clothes.
That is the difference between a house and a home. Linda sold her house, but she lost her home. Robert gave her a home.
Exactly. A house is just a building. A home is where you feel safe and loved.
Robert told her, "You are not alone anymore."
For the first time in days, Linda smiled. She was still sad about her son, but she was grateful for Robert.
Grateful. That means feeling thankful. When someone is kind to you, you feel grateful.
Robert didn't stop there. He helped Linda contact social services. He helped her find a small apartment. He became the son she never really had.
That's beautiful. It shows that family isn't always blood. Sometimes family are the people who are kind to you when you are in trouble.
Before we practice speaking, let's connect ideas. We learned some powerful words today.
First, abandoned, being left alone. Linda was abandoned by her son.
Then compassion. The feeling of wanting to help. Robert showed compassion.
And grateful, being thankful. Linda was grateful for the help.
And remember, it's okay if you forget these words tomorrow.
No pressure. Progress doesn't come from perfection.
It comes from consistency.
Exactly. Just by listening, you are training your brain.
Now let's do something special. It's time to speak.
This is shadowing practice. We will say a sentence from the story. Then, there will be a pause.
In the pause, you repeat the sentence out loud. Try to copy our speed and our emotion.
Don't be shy. Warm up your English muscles. Here is set one. Simple sentences.
She waited for her son. She waited for her son.
She felt very lonely. She felt very lonely.
The stranger was kind. The stranger was kind.
You're doing amazing. Seriously. Now, let's try set 2. These are a little longer.
Robert offered her a safe place to stay. Robert offered her a safe place to stay.
Kindness can change a life forever. Kindness can change a life forever.
She found a new family through compassion. She found a new family through compassion.
Well done. That was excellent.
Congratulations! You've completed the story of Linda and Robert.
You listened to a difficult story, learned new vocabulary, and you practiced speaking. That's huge.
If you enjoyed this story, please let us know in the comments. Who was your favorite character, Robert or Linda?
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more real English practice.
We're so proud of you. See you in the next episode.
Keep shining and keep learning. You've got this.